Why Cloudy with a Chance of PNS? For those that have kids, it's titled after a movie of a similar title. And just a little bit more about myself and why I'm in front of you. So I started my career, actually, I've been in neuromodulation almost 30 years, started with Advanced Bionics, where I wrote the original business plan, and also written quite a few business plans, another one for Medallion, which was recently sold to Medtronic. I've set up and run subsidiary offices. I have really traveled the world in medical devices, and I'm a founder and CEO of a non-invasive company, which I'm actually handing back to UCLA. That's a whole nother story in terms of that decision. And I've consulted to many of the companies in the space. I've also helped to pioneer the PNS field when I was at PNS. I helped pivot it from its original indication to actually pain.